Are you struggling to get views and build your channel? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to define your target audience, which is a game changer when growing your YouTube channel. Hey, I'm Andrew. I help creators like you grow on YouTube by creating high quality videos. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about something a little bit specific, and it kind of comes from my marketing background, from my master's. It's gonna help put in perspective some of the things that you need to do before you start your channel, before you upload videos, because this is going to really hone in why and who you're talking to in your videos. Stick around the end and I'll give you a free access to my YouTube target audience analysis sheet where you can take it and go step by step through this process. All right, the first thing you're going to do is go through the Venn diagram analysis. So if you don't know what a Venn diagram is, it's three circles put together, and where they cross over, that's kind of the sweet spot. One circle is going to be your passion. So one circle is going to be what you are passionate about, what defines you, and what you really care about. Then the other circle is going to be your growing audience. So what audience on YouTube is growing and is getting bigger that's kind of near what your passion is? Most likely it's not going to be all like right over your passion, right? Your passion is going to have some of it's just things that you want to do, but it's going to overlap with an audience that's growing on YouTube. Find that audience. And then the third circle is going to be your skills. So sometimes your passion isn't exactly what skills you have or have developed, but you're going to have skills that overlap with that passion. And those skills will overlap a little bit with your growing audience that you found. The point where those cross over, that inside of there is going to be the target audience. That's where you're going to pull your target audience information from, and that'll help focus all your videos down to that specific group of people. And then you can be really targeted on YouTube, and that'll help your channel grow. So that process will take time for you to discover what those areas are and what those circles are. Sometimes it takes as longer than you think to even figure out your own passions. But it's really important because YouTube is kind of a long-term game, and you got to be passionate about what you're creating on YouTube. Otherwise, you're going to burn out. So you want to have that passion circle, a big part of that. And then obviously the audience, if people are going to watch what you're passionate about, there's got to be a growing audience around it. And then you have to have some skills to be able to create videos on it. And so all those have to align. So take the time to really hone down what those are and get that spot where they're all overlapping. And then you're going to be able to go through the worksheet that I'm going to give you at the end of this video, and it'll help you brainstorm and give you questions to ask to help you through that process. So the second step of this analysis is going to be finding your audience characteristics. So now you're going to go deeper and you're going to define the characteristics of your audience, the group that is in that center area that's overlapped. Who are the people? What do they like? So you're going to do things like name the whole group of people in there. You're going to give them kind of like an age range, because it's not going to be everybody. So you're probably going to have like a target age range. And then you're going to determine the experience level of that audience in the middle of those three circles in the Venn diagram. The key here is to be very specific with the characteristics and demographics of your audience in the middle of your Venn diagram, because that's going to help you structure and develop videos that are targeted to those people. And the third step to this analysis is to build a audience persona. So you're going to take the characteristics and the demographics, and you're going to go through a process that seems a little bit weird, but in marketing, it's a big deal. Go through and figure out like an exact person. So you're going to give them a name. You're going to say their age. You're going to talk about any motivations and challenges that they have personally, and you're going to make this fake person that is right dead center in the center of your target audience, that's in the center of your Venn diagram. Okay, it's going to help you really hone down into that specific person, which is going to give you clarity when you develop your other videos for your channel. So with a persona, you can create videos that are very clear and specific to the viewers that you will have, which makes your videos more relatable and valuable. Okay, so if you're looking to download that free analysis sheet, click the link in the description below. That'll send you to my website where you can download this free worksheet that'll help you go step by step through the process that I just outlined here in this video. And if you found this video helpful, click here to watch another video that'll help you grow your YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, do that below and hit the bell icon to get notified of any videos that I post. Until the next video, guys, I'll see you later.